Hi there, Arend here from Harcourts in Palmerston North. I'm here with Jen Taylor from Mortgage Link, and we're going to talk a little bit today about how you get your finances sorted when you're looking at purchasing property. So thanks, Jen, for taking the time out to have a chat.
You're welcome.
I know you're really busy at the moment, particularly the way the market is. It's a bit crazy. So what do you do here at Mortgage Link?
Cool. So I guess the biggest thing here is we're advisors. Okay, so we the difference between going directly to the bank and coming through to us is that we can give you advice. Okay, we've got a huge wide range of lenders that we deal with, and every bank is different with different policies and things. So we're doing all the hard work for you. And it's all about building that relationship with our clients as well. So, you're coming along here, we're looking whether you're a first home buyer, you're buying your second home, investment properties, we look at absolutely everything.
Yeah, and you just go across multiple lenders, all the banks.
Absolutely.
Yeah. No, that's really cool. So, the market being the market at the moment, it is crazy out there. One of our biggest demands is with the first home buyers looking at trying to purchase, obviously, their home. For them, what do they need to get in place around KiwiSaver or the home grant and things like that they're trying to achieve?
Yeah, so the biggest thing for our first home buyers, it is so hard out there at the moment, and we want to make sure that they've got all their ducks in a row.
Yep.
So they want to have the right team behind them, really. So they want to have a good advisor, they want to have a good lawyer, and also, touching base with agents like yourself to see what's out there. So first home buyers, they have your Home Start grant, we can use KiwiSaver. There's a lot of deposit options that a lot of people don't know about.
Yep.
And again, at the end of the day, it's just coming and having a chat with us, looking at all of the different options that there are and seeing how we can best fit it to your needs, really. Because every deal is so unique and different compared to other people. So, and we help you through the whole process. It's a home buying journey, start to finish. Yeah. So we look after you, and if you're not quite ready, we set up a plan to how you can become ready to make an offer or getting a pre-approval put in place.
Yeah, so it's a matter of getting all your ducks in a row, which will help you securing a property. So the people who are more organised than the others are more likely to secure a property over those who aren't. I mean, that's a fantastic service that you're offering. Is there any charge for that?
No, absolutely not. So at the end of the day, we're working for our clients, and we want to send, the banks want us to send their business, and so they pay us a commission. So there's no fee whatsoever to our clients.
I mean, that's fantastic. I mean, guys, use Jen at Mortgage Link. The service is free. The banks are paying for her. That's a great way to go. Make them pay for it all because they're taking your money anyway. So get the banks to pay for it. Come and see Jen. Get things all sorted. Fantastic service. With the market being so busy, we have a lot of people who are trying to do what are called clean offers. So trying to remove that finance clause as their conditions. So trying to get all their ducks in a row, which is a little bit similar to purchasing a property by auction, where you are buying it on an unconditional basis. I suppose the big difference between the two is, unfortunately, if your property is just priced, offers are going to be coming in reasonably quickly, whereas with an auction campaign, you've generally got 2-3 weeks to get all your finance sorted for that auction with that specific property, which I suppose sort of ties in with the banks being able to lend once they know which property you're purchasing. How does that sort of work? Yeah,
so like you say, they are very similar. Being a cash offer, you need to know, the banks want to know what property you're buying. So it's, again, touching base with me, making sure that the property that you're wanting to put an offer on is acceptable to the bank, which 9 times out of 10 they are. It's just there are some factors. And then it's just making sure that all the other things regarding that finance is all clean. And then as long as you're under 80% lending, usually it's a really straightforward process to do that. It's when we get over that 80% lending that it gets a little bit trickier. But again, we can coach you through that process and what needs to be done. With an auction, we want to make sure we have the auction pack just to look through it all. And obviously doing your due diligence on the property. So touching base with your solicitor, getting them to do all of that stuff, us to have a look at it, making sure the bank's happy with the property. And for an auction, we're more than happy to come along to that and help you and support you through that process, because it can be pretty daunting.
Yeah, that's right, and that's particularly with our auction properties. We have a lot of information there for the buyers to sort of clear the pathway for them, and also put them onto people like yourself so they can get that finance sorted. Now that's really, really good information. So there you go, guys. There's some great information there. So if you are looking at purchasing a property and you want to find out a little bit more information around how much you can potentially purchase, come and see Jen at Mortgage Link and she'll get you all sorted. So thanks for watching.
Thanks.